Universal Portable 800A motorcycle car truck pickup electric car jump starter battery booster emergency power bank multiple lighting modes easy start up in low temperature 4 indicators battery capacity 1 precision reproduction creative car modeling suitable for 12V gasoline vehicles with displacement of less than 4L and 12V diesel vehicles with displacement of less than 2.5 liters. Multiple lighting modes, long press to start the lighting, multiple modes are available, which can be switched freely as required. Upgraded 4 series battery packs, more than 2 times stronger than others. 0.800 mAh power capacity. The Crown 3.0L naturally car can be started more than 4 times when fully charged. 4 kinds indicators meaning 1 indicator indicates 25% of the power, 2 indicates 50%, 3 indicates 75%, and 4 indicates 100%. It offers the best performance when it is fully charged or above 50%. Suitable for 90% vehicles, car, motorcycle, SUV, business car, electric car, pickup, etc. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.